But can we be clear as to the reason why we have a special criminal court? It's in order to protect ordinary men and women from being exposed to intimidation and threats, which I believe would arise if they were put in the situation of having to adjudicate on gangland criminal trials or indeed of terrorist offensive criminal trials. We have seen it in the past. Ganglands and gangs in this country, they've murdered children, they've murdered journalists, and we know from recent trials that they've intimidated witnesses. So if you're going to try to intimidate somebody to nobble a trial, probably the easiest person to nobble or to intimidate is a member of a jury. I know people talk about how we should try to have anonymous juries or juries which are protected. In order for a trial to be fair, you have to ensure that the jury is in the same room as the people who are given evidence. The jury has to be in the same room as the judge as well, so a judge can assess the jury and make sure that they're paying attention. So all these examples about trying to protect the identity of a jury, you may be able to shield them, as cases have happened where witnesses have been shielded from the general public. You might be able to shield them from view by members, other persons who are in court. But at 4 o'clock or 4:30 that day, no matter where they are, they have to go home. And it is not that difficult to identify who the people are on a jury. And if they're identified, it is a very easy way of trying to ensure that you can engage in the ancient crime of embracery.